let's have another set of fractions. 27 over 36, 18 over 72, and 121 over 132. So first, we get the GCF of 27 and 36. So think of a number that can divide both 27 and 36. So, notice that the digits of 27, the sum is 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. 36, 3 plus 6 is 9. So, if the sum of these digits are divisible by if the sum of these digits are 9, it means that the two numbers here are both divisible by 9. So, 27 divided by 9 is 3. 36 divided by 9 is 4. So, 3 and 4 are already relatively prime. So, the new fraction is 3 over 4. So, 27 over 36 is 3 over 4. So, this is our new fraction, 3 over 4. It seems 9. 3 over 4. Okay. Now, 18 and 72. So, let's get the GCF of 18 and 72. So, you have here, check the digit. 1 plus 8, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. So, this is divisible by 9. Okay? So, 18 divided by 9 is 2. 72 divided by 9 is 8. Now, observe that 2 and 8 are still divisible. So, 2 and 8 are both even numbers. So, they are divisible by 2. So, 2 divided by 2, 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, since 1 and 4 are relatively prime, the new fraction is 1 over 4. So, 18 over 72 is 1 over 4. So, that's 1 over 4. Okay. Now, let's have number 6. 121 divided 121 over 132. So, let's get the GCF of 121 and 132. Now, since 121 is multiples of 11, okay, so we apply the divisibility rules of 11. So, we add the alternate number. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, let's have a scratch here. 121. We get the sum of alternate number. 1 plus 1 minus 2. We subtract the remaining number, that is 0. So, that would be 2 minus 2, 0. Okay. How about the 132? So, for 132, we add 1 plus 2 minus 3. So, 3 minus 3, 0. So, therefore, this is divisible by 11. And this is divisible by 11. So, we apply the divisibility rules of 11. So, it is divisible by 11. So, 121 divided by 11 is 11. Okay, 132 divided by 11 is 12. Okay, 11 and 12 are both relatively prime. So, our new fraction is 11 over 12. So, you have here, the new fraction here is 11 over 12.